Probably one of the most frustrating or perhaps complicated tasks to do in TinkerCAD is grouping feature. Unfortunately, it's not something we can ignore or avoid. It makes projects finalized, it helps keep things together. So that way, when you create a final product, it's one product and it's not just a bunch of small parts and pieces that are stacked on top of each other. So the Group It tool is essential for learning the basics of TinkerCAD. So let's show you how to do it. Essentially, the goal of this video or these tutorials for Group It is that it wants you to take both of these examples and merge them together. Now, merging two solid objects and merging a hole and a cube will give you different results and appearances, but we'll show you those look like in a second. So as always, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the box to get started. But this time, how you're going to merge or group them, if you will, is you're going to hold on to the shift key. Once you hold on to it, now you're going to click on the cylinder as well. And now you're going to notice kind of the position of all those white, black, and black cones adjusts. Additionally, once you have clicked on both of those, you're going to notice in the top right hand corner, the grouping tool has finally appeared. If you click on it, now you'll notice color has changed a little bit on the cylinder. Typically, it's supposed to just take the color as to whatever you grouped it with, but unfortunately, TinkerCAD's a little bit buggy. But nonetheless, if you test it now, if you click and drag, you're going to notice that you have actually created a cube with cylinder inside of it. It has become one, and the color itself is both red. So that's the first one. The next one is same idea. You have a cylinder and you have a cube, but this time the cylinder is a hole. And so it's going to create kind of a hole in the box. So again, click on the cube, hold shift, click on the cylinder, and once again, click on the grouping tool. And now you're going to notice if I click and drag, you're going to notice that I have created a hole in the box. This is incredibly important as we get into making a bird box eventually, or birdhouse, if you will. In order for the bird to leave the birdhouse, you need to have a hole in it. So learning the Group It tool with using holes, very helpful for this.